Good morning, guys. We have had a kind of relaxing-ish morning. It's now 2 o'clock, by the way. Sorry. We kind of just, I don't know, I've been doing a lot of writing because we were really far behind. We needed a bit of a sleep in after a whole day Universal yesterday, which is tiring. If any of you guys have been to what are they called? If any of you guys have been to a theme park before, you will know. You always need that sleep in the next day. It is tiring. And Stephen is editing. So I'm actually here with Drew at the moment. Stephen is back at home editing and he said he needed snacks. So Drew and I are now on snack duty and we're going up the road to go find some snacks for him so he can try and get all these vlogs edited and uploaded so then we can go and do something tonight because tonight's our last night in Hollywood and then we're heading to Anaheim tomorrow for VidCon. So we need to do something tonight as our last day in Hollywood. Don't know what yet, we'll work it out, but first snacks. Alrighty guys, when we were on snack duty, we ended up doing a thing. You see, Stephen really loves the fizzy drink. So we were looking at the flavors, trying to work out what he should have, and then we came across these really weird flavors. And then we were like, we should buy these flavors and blindfold Stephen and make him try them and try and guess what they are. And let's just say the flavors aren't that appetizing. So, if Stephen ends up agreeing, next to me, right here, will be the video. Go click it, go watch it, see what you think. If there's nothing there, then he didn't agree, and I am sorry. What do you reckon? Do you reckon he's going to agree to taste these flavors?
Yes. If he doesn't, then there should be an uproar.
There should be an uproar. I'm sure he'll do it. And yeah, we chose 5 flavors that weren't that great. So hopefully I'll be impressed if he guesses them correctly. Let's just say that. Anyway, snacks have been bought and snacks are about to be had.
She just made me do some silly soda challenge and I feel so sick.
Oh, I feel bad. I'm sorry. I'm pretty sure you're gonna vomit.
I'm pretty sure I did at one point.
In your mouth.
Is this the first time I've been on the vlog today?
Yeah, say good morning.
Good evening, guys. 6 o'clock.
Are we gonna do anything tonight? It's our last night in Hollywood.
We should, yeah.
What are we gonna do?
Something. We'll figure something out, but hi guys.
Oh, I'm sorry. I made him do a really yucky challenge. I've got a chip. Do you want a cleansing palette?
No, thank you. I can't eat. No.
Just a corn chip.
Does it help? Does it help? Aww. Alrighty guys, it is currently 8:30 and we haven't done much today, but because it's our last day in Hollywood, we're about to go meet up with Jack and Jen again for the last time, and they're going to take us to their favorite ice cream store, and our favorite ice cream store, which is called Diddy Reese. And we went there last time we were here. They were the ones that introduced us and they are so amazing. It's like $1.75 for an ice cream cookie sandwich, and they're like handmade or homemade or whatever, and they're amazing. So we're just about to go. We've got a lot of work done today, so this kind of chill day needed to be had, but the next few days is going to be crazy at VidCon. I know that. I can't even think of like if we're even going to be able to get work done at VidCon, because VidCon seems to be crazy. Are you ready, Stephen? Trying to get the last stuff done. Aww.
Just about done with my client for the night. So.
You are a busy boy. And I've been writing a lot of blog posts, so go check them out. Let me know what you think. It's all about LA, New York, Washington. Let me know what you think. And let me know if you want to see any other posts that might help you out, like what to see and do in places that you see we've been. That'd be great. Anyway, I'm gonna stop talking. Let's go to Jenn Jack's house.
Whoops, we thought our Lyft driver was here, and then we ran out the house and then nearly got into this random's car, and he just started like driving away.
He's like, once I saw him, he was this like old little man, like with barely any hair and glasses, and he kept looking at us like, and then drove so fast away. I think we scared him. We're still waiting for our Lyft though. I think the app is stuffing up a bit. No, he's 5 minutes away.
I know, it said he was a minute away and then it turned to 5 minutes, so that's why we thought it was him. But Lyft doesn't tell us like the
number plate.
The number plate, which is weird.
We were trying it out because we had like little $5 vouchers.
See how we go. Hopefully we don't jump into some random's car.
Voucher.
Hey guys.
$5 voucher on there. I would have preferred the crusty one.
So we're in a place called Westwood, and it's pretty much surrounded by the UCLA University. Last time we were in LA, Jenn and Jack took us here, and
Wait, are you doing this for YouTube?
we are doing this for you.
Oh, where are you from? Oh, sorry, I'll get out of your
Australia.
I vlog too.
Do you?
Who do you watch on YouTube? Hi guys, Carlie Styles here. You're just vlogging and I thought I would pop in and be like, hey, you're vlogging.
This is the first time it's happened, because no one usually pops in.
Right, nobody ever walks down the street like
Yeah.
everyone's staring at themselves. So when I see somebody, I'm like, we're friends. Like, we vlog together, you know?
Are you going to go to VidCon?
Yeah, oh, that's why you guys, that's where you
We're
guys
here for
are
VidCon,
Yes,
yes.
of course. It's gonna
Cool.
be crazy. You guys going to industry day and all the things?
This is our first time, so no, we're not.
You need Sharpies, hand sanitizer, and emergency.
Yeah.
Because you're gonna sign things, you're gonna hug a lot of people, some people sweat,
Okay.
and then you're gonna get sick because we're all stuck in the convention center in like the same air circulating. So those are my tips. And
Okay.
gum and cologne if you wear it.
Thanks.
No, that's all right. What are you going to get then from
Diddy Reese?
Diddy Reese?
I just couldn't decide. I have to have like one of everything. The chocolate, it's just like the classic chocolate chip cookies. And thanks, guys.
Thank you.
That's awesome.
We might see you at VidCon.
Yeah.
I'm not too sure what I said before, but we're in a place called Westwood. UCLA University surrounds it, and amazing ice cream. How's everyone's ice cream?
I just loved how that was the first time a vlogger came up to us and saw we were vlogging and was like, hey, someone's vlogging.
Yeah.
We found out she is Shay Carl's sister. And Shay Carl's like a big daily vlogger, so that was pretty cool.
Yeah, which is really awesome. But yeah, I got Rocky Road with
I'm gonna try it. Rocky Road with M&M cookies.
yeah. What did you get?
Cookie dough with peanut butter cookies.
And Jenn and Jack?
Rocky Road, raisin, oatmeal, and chocolate cookie dough.
No, you got Rocky Road.
Oh no,
And-
I got
regret.
M&M and chocolate macadamia nut with cookie dough.
Do you regret?
Ah.
No regrets.
I'm jealous, Stephen. Your Rocky Road's amazing. Why didn't I get Rocky Road? Let me try.
For once, I get the food that Jess gets the regret on. No, this is mine.
I want to try Rocky Road. I never
You
tried
spend
it.
your own $1.50. Oh yeah, it only costs $1.50 by the way.
$2.
Oh,
$2.
Inflation. There's inflation.
$2.
What, in 4 months?
Yeah.
But we're just gonna walk through Westwood and just enjoy the night. It's actually a really good weather out here.
Today. And I said it's fun dip.
Oh yes.
What's all this bacon stuff?
That's right.
Bacon cotton candy?
These other
Bacon
ones we've got.
chocolate?
I think we're just in the bacon section. We've just come into a candy store and we're just amazed. There's so much candy in here. We should have come here for our challenges.
They're all the weird ones, Steve.
Why didn't
Pumpkin
you could have
pie?
got me coffee soda?
I know, there wasn't. I didn't see that. Dog drool. Kitty piddle.
I just love all this Batman. Batman will decide whether you get good candy or not. This candy store's amazing. I found Jess's Christmas present. Thank you.
The shake.
And the shake.
Enjoy the rest of your trip.
Oh, thank you.
And thanks so much for showing us
Hopefully
all
we'll be back in
around.
LA.
Yes, be back in LA.
Hi, Steven.
Or
Yeah, you can stay with them.
Yeah, we adopted Drew.
All right, well,
Bye, Drew.
You can keep him. Thanks so much, guys. Thanks for everything.
have fun in Anaheim and at VidCon.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Chase down some crazy bloggers.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Alrighty guys, we're home and it is almost 11:30, so I think we're going to go to bed. Tomorrow we're going to Anaheim, which is awesome. We have been there once to Disneyland, but we haven't really explored much. So we're going to go there and we'll see you guys tomorrow. And good night and bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
It's crazy.